Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix an internet time sync error you might be receiving on your Windows computer. So sometimes you will receive errors when trying to synchronize your time settings with any servers that are listed on your computer. So if you're trying to sync to the Windows time or any other servers that are listed, there's a chance that you might have to resolve this issue and it's not actually going to sync your time. So in this tutorial I'll be going over how to hopefully resolve this issue for you guys. And we're going to start by heading over to the start button and we're going to left click on it, and what we're going to try and do is type in services. It should be listed right above the desktop app option. So you want to left click on that. Okay, so underneath services, we're going to look for the service that's called Windows Time. This should be pretty close to the bottom of this list. So just scroll pretty much down to the bottom here. When we see there's an entry that says Windows Time, you want to right click on it and then left click on Properties from the drop down menu. If the startup type is currently set to manual, left click on this little arrow next to this entry and then left click on automatic. And now in order to save the change, left click on apply and OK. And I should also point out, if for some reason it's currently stopped, meaning if you right click and then go back under properties and it's set to the stop position, you want to left click on this start button in order to start the service back up. So at that point your time settings should be able to sync back up with the servers online. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.